So today I'm going to show you how to set up your Calendly appointment using your own personal Zoom link rather than the one Calendly assigns for you. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to go back to my Calendly homepage, log in if I haven't, and I'm going to pick the event, which is my parent-teacher conferences. And once I'm in, I'm going to go to what event is this? And this is where you can see I picked Zoom as the location. Well, by doing that, I've told Calendly to set up the Zoom appointments for me, which means that they're going to create their own Zoom site for me. And I don't want to do that. I want to use the site that I've been using with my kids all year long. So I'm going to click Edit. And I'm going to change this from Zoom, use my drop-down menu, go all the way down towards the bottom, and I'm going to pick Custom. And in this box, what I'm going to do is I am going to paste in my Zoom link. And so I'm just going to find my Zoom link that I use for my kids, and I'm going to paste it in there, and there we go. And then I'm going to hit Update. And now that link is in there, and so when parents go to make their appointment, this is the link that's going to be sent to them in the email. So they will now, let me hit Save and Close, they will now be using the link that I use with my kids every day. And that's how you change your Calendly appointment to include your custom Zoom link for your meetings. If you have any questions, you can always reach out.